How you guys doing? Welcome to Pro-Am Live. My name is Sherman. Today we're going to go over a basic tutorial on how to build a gaming computer, alright? First we're going to go over the parts, explain what they do, and then we're going to put together to let you know how to rock when you're playing your Fortnites and your Call of Duties and all your other esports games. So let's get to it. First, the most important thing is your processor. Your processor is basically kind of like the brain of the whole computer. This bad boy drops into your motherboard and tells everything what to do from there, all right? And this is your cooler. You know, when your processor is really hot, you got to make sure it stays cool. This is the stock cooler, but you know, there's better coolers down the road. Next most important thing is your motherboard. Like I said, this bad boy drops in here, tells everything what to do from here on out, and has all the other connected to the rest of the components of your computer. Next, you got your storage. Most of the days, you have a SSD, pretty fast storage for your boot drive, which is Windows, and you got your mechanical for your games and bigger files, pictures, stuff like that. Then, you got your RAM. You know, if you got a lot of tabs open, doing a lot of multitasking, you're going to need RAM. All right? To get your gaming going and to see everything that's going on your computer, this is your graphics card. This is a 1050 Ti, 4 gig. It's strong enough to get, you know, your basic esports games running. Then, to power all this stuff, you need a power supply. So this obviously, like just said, powers everything. Then from there, you gotta house all this stuff. Where it's gonna go? Inside your case. All right, so in the next part of this video, we're gonna show you how and where everything goes and what it's supposed to do, all right? So stay tuned to the next video. First, before we drop the motherboard into the case, we want to start with our CPU. So we drop in the CPU, then after that we apply some thermal paste before we apply the cooler. Now that the cooler's in, we're going to go over to the RAM. We're dropping in 2 sticks of RAM in these spaces right here. Then, after that part, we can put the motherboard into the case. Now that the I/O shield is in the case, I'm gonna let you know what all your ports do in the back of it. Now that the motherboard is in the case, I'm gonna screw it down so it's nice and secure so it doesn't fall out. Now that the board is in the case, we're now adding our GPU. This is gonna allow us to play games at high frame rates. Just dropping it into the PCI Express lane on the top of the motherboard right here. All right, so now we're adding our power supply to the bottom of the case, so then we can power our motherboard, our graphics card, and our hard drives and case fans. Okay, now we're adding our hard drives. The first hard drive we're adding is our boot drive. This is the most important one because this has Windows on it. Windows is gonna allow you to do your everyday tasks, playing games, watching YouTube, doing schoolwork. Our second drive is our storage drive. This is important because everything that can't fit on the first drive, we're gonna put it as, you know, backup stuff on our second drive. This is gonna hold your big games, music, work, anything the boot drive can't hold. Now that the computer's all up and running, the only thing you need to do now is install Windows. Once Windows is installed, you're able to be ready to play all your games and do all your work. My name is Sherman. This is Pro-Am Live. Have a nice day.